Not probably. We're gonna.
No, you gotta finish.
All right, guys, check it out. Here we go. We got D over here disassembling this Toyota Tacoma. He's gonna be installing a front grille. So it's what appear to be fog lights kind of deal, and DRL, daytime running lights, on those ports there. You can bring me your own parts, just make sure to order the right ones, or you can come in, we can order them for you and schedule a day and time to get the job done. Stay tuned.
Yeah, those fog lights don't have anywhere to go.
Alrighty guys, check it out. You get a new Tacoma and you want to replace that front grille, you can no longer pop it out just from the front. We got to remove the whole bumper. Not only the bumper, you got sensors, brackets that we need to take off to get to the grill. Crazy amount of work to get to that grill. If it's worth it, I think so, but that'll be up to you. I'll let you guys see how it looks once it's done. Let's go. There you go. That looks good. Turn signal. Alrighty. There you go. Pretty cool. Gotta get my reels in, bro, on the Toyota. Alrighty guys, so this is an update video here. Unfortunately, the fog lights did not fit last time due to not having the right cover. We ordered the cover, and here we are again a week later installing the fog lights, and we're gonna add a switch to the LED bar because it didn't come with one, so now we're gonna add one to the LED bar, and we gotta add a separate switch to the fog lights. Stay tuned for the results and hit us up for any of your installs here at D's Garage. Let's go! We're removing the whole bumper to install this piece here and fog lights so that way the customer can have it. But look, we got to modify this. Luckily, it's already kind of pre-drilled. We got to remove the sensors from the original one, put them onto here instead of cutting on the these parts that we don't know how to cut this nice and straight, but we can drill some nice easy holes on there. Let's go. Brand new truck, bro. We're ripping it apart. Alrighty guys, just finished installing the fog lights on the 2026 Toyota Tacoma. Check it out. Looks nice and clean. We added that front grille, those running lights that you see there. Let me just clean this up. Gotta make sure all these parts are clean before the customer picks it up. And yeah, done deal. Let me go ahead and power up those fog lights there. Turn off the emergencies. I didn't do that ambient kit, but I'm gonna ask him if he wants to do them. Check it out. Now the fog lights with the LED bar hooked up. Hit up your boy D for any of your installs.